Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Linode, Akamai, VPS for web hosting, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Linode VPS for web hosting, start by visiting the Linode website. Create an account if you don't already have one, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Linode section in the dashboard. Click on the Create Linode button to initiate the process. Select a suitable distribution for your web hosting needs, such as Ubuntu or CentOS. Choose a plan according to your resource requirements. Next, select the data center location that best suits your target audience. You may also want to enable backups for added security. After configuring the options, proceed by clicking on the Create Linode button. Once your Linode is created, it will take a moment to initialize. After initialization, click on your Linode's label to access its management page. Note the public IP address provided. You will need it for setting up your web hosting. Access the console from the management page to log into your VPS. Use SSH to connect to your Linode from your local terminal, typing SSH root at your _IP_ address. Once connected, update your package manager to ensure you have the latest software. For Ubuntu, type apt update y followed by apt upgrade y. Install a web server software, like Apache or Nginx, using the package manager. To install Apache, type apt install Apache 2y. After installation, start the web server using system-start Apache 2. Enable Apache to start on boot with system-enable Apache 2. You can verify if Apache is running by entering your server's IP address in a web browser. If you see the Apache welcome page, your server is running successfully. To host a website, you will need to upload your website files. Use an FTP client like FileZilla to connect to your Linode using your public IP address. Transfer your website files to the appropriate directory, typically /var/www/html for Apache. Adjust the file permissions if necessary, ensuring your web files are accessible. You can create a sample HTML file to test if your site is working correctly. Open your web browser and type your Linode's IP address again to see your files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.